Hey guys, welcome back to the Lost Island Tiki Bar. Haven't made a video here in quite a while, several months. But this is going to be really quick, very short and sweet and to the point, as long as I don't keep saying that. We are back from the Maryland and Virginia installs. It was Chester, Maryland and Virginia Beach, Virginia. We actually got both installs done in one day on Saturday, and then we came home Sunday. It's about a 6-hour drive to get back, so we got back around 2 o'clock yesterday afternoon. There's two little issues, and you're going to find out very shortly in the very next video. The Maryland job, the Chester, Maryland job, it was super bright and sunny. So I took my install video, and it turns out once we got to Virginia and I went to make another video, I wanted to look at that one. And it was a selfie of me talking for 2 minutes, acting as if I was showing you the bar. And it was just me. So you'll see that in a brief second. And if you want to tolerate looking at me for 2 minutes. But then on our way from Maryland, Chester, Maryland to Virginia Beach, the Virginia State Police decided to pull the box truck over. So we got held up there for an hour. They wanted to do a DOT inspection. They saw our out-of-state tag, so they pulled us over. And Patty and I were actually about 5 miles ahead of Bob and Scott. So they called me. We had to turn around and go back and fix all that. But they did let us go, and we went on to Virginia Beach, and we literally got everything done as it was getting dark. So we got both installs done in one day. So one more quick thing. Phillies game 3 tonight at home against Houston. It's a split right now. We got Syndergaard on the mound. I'm not very confident about that, but we'll see what happens. And 7-0 Philadelphia Eagles. So go Birds. Okay, so on to the install videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Tiki Kev out. All right. Hey guys, here we are in Chester. We pulled in at what, 9 o'clock? It's 10:30, and we're already done and getting ready to head to Virginia Beach. So that's the synthetic roof that you guys saw that I did. And it looks pretty good. It's on the water, so I highly recommended the synthetic roof. And it doesn't burn, so you guys could be out here and doing whatever.
Oh, really?
It's, yeah, the roof is fire retarded. Yeah. So this is the 8x8 you guys saw in the shop that we just loaded up with the 8x8 roof. And you'll see that you can see a totally different design in the roof to support these poles, or to support the imitation palms. But this is set up. There's the Chesapeake. That's the Chesapeake Bay, right?
That's the Chester River.
Oh, Chester River. That's the Chester River out there. And they built a little fake beach here at the community. And it is bright and sunny out here. So they have electricians. They're coming to do. They put the electric in the wrong spot, but they'll figure it out, and they're going to come and do whatever wiring they want. So we are finished, already loaded up and ready to go. All right, Matt, you happy with it? Did you guys like it?
Oh yeah.
Okay. All right, good.
Love it. Very nice.
Good. The only thing it's missing is a bartender and some alcohol, right?
Yep.
That'll be taken care of soon.
Yeah.
Orange crushes.
The website said something about some free drinks.
Yeah. Oh, I'll take a free drink. Well, we're heading down to Virginia Beach right now to do another one.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Virginia Beach?
Yeah.
Wow.
We figured this was on the way. We might as well get them both in one weekend. Yeah.
Where's your shop, Pennsylvania?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Yep. So this all came down on the trailer, and then we have the other one in the box truck.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
Awesome.
gonna take a few hours to get there.
4, I think I have it from the GPS. I think we're doing more driving today than we are working.
Oh my gosh, I thought we stayed
All right. Yeah. All right. So
Right, Maddie, let us know.
from Chester, Maryland,
Yeah, if you want to,
in the Chester River.
if you want to go,
I think that's what I just said.
go through this
All right. Well, until the next video. Tiki Kev out.
Yeah.
Doesn't have to be this week.
Hey, I'm back. We are on location number 2. All right, we made it to Virginia Beach, and this is going to be the location, I believe, of the Tiki Bar. Trying to get a hold of the homeowner now. But yeah, it took us an hour longer to get here than we anticipated. We're going to try and get as much done tonight as we can. It's about 4:30 or so. Yeah. The Maryland State Police decided to pull Bob and Scott over in the box truck and do a DOT inspection on my truck. Kept us there for an hour. Patty and I were, what, about 5 miles ahead of them when we had to turn around? 5 miles ahead of them. I had to turn around and we had to go back and I had to deal with all that crap. But the guy was nice, gave me a warning for what, a few violations? Like not having enough air in the tire was one of them. Right. Yeah. Little did I know I need DOT stickers when I leave Pennsylvania. I did not know that. But he gave me a warning. And one other thing I didn't know is that I have to have log books in the truck. So he gave us a log book, and Bob had to fill it out. But overall, we were there for about an hour, and he just gave me a written warning. So it turned out good. So they're 20 minutes behind us, and so I will see you guys in the next video. So from Virginia Beach, Virginia, Tiki Kev out. All right, guys. Well, it's getting a little dusky, but we got it done. Scott, Patty, and Bob are just about done finishing loading up all the tools. And this is another synthetic thatched one. Small area. Not an oversized roof. It wasn't ordered with an oversized roof, but it'll do, I guess. So you got 5 bar stools. There's a TV going in it, but it was designed so nobody sits on that side. The TV's going up on that end there, and this one came with a refrigerator right there, and rope lighting, of course, is on all my bars, and the synthetic roof. The only thing I'm not liking about this is the overhang isn't far enough. Maybe my first nailers need to come down so we get more overhang. I think that's what needs to be done here. Yep, I think that's what we need to do. So on the next one, we'll bring that down a little further, get some more overhang. But I mean, overall, this bar looks good. So we got hotels for the night, and we're gonna head out. We did more driving than install time. Install time for both bars probably total of 2.5 hours, maybe. First one was 1.5 hours. Today, an hour, maybe. Yeah. And 2.5 hours to get there this morning, and then 4.5, 5 because of the, they didn't like Bob. They pulled Bob over for a DOT check.
But if it was you, they'd probably give you a ticket, not a warning.
No, I did talk to him. I was very nice to him, and he gave me a warning. So Bob was nice to him too. But all right, so that wraps it up. We're out of here in the morning. I got to go talk to the homeowner, let him know what's up with the bar. All right. So from Virginia Beach, Virginia, Tiki Kev out.